the sample in SRSWOR, the sample mean x bar is an unbiased estimator of the population mean x bar. So in this sample, we need to prove that the sample mean is the expectation of sample mean is equal to the population mean. This is the theorem. So how to solve? So ex bar it means as 1 upon n summation of xi is equal to, so summation of xi is written by, when we summation, so summation can be written by ai xi. So this is small xi converted to the capital Xi, and we need to put here ai. Why is ai? Because of the reason where ai is equal to 1 and 0. ai means that 1 means that the ith unit is included in the sample, and 0 means that the ith unit is not included. So this ai is showing that the ith sample is included in the sample or not. So first we have to just replace by this probability. Now our probability is here. So 1 upon n expectation of sigma ai xi, 1 upon n. Now this ai, so we have to again prove e expectation of ai. Expectation of ai is equal to 1 p probability of ai is equal to 1 plus 0 dot p ai is equal to 0. So this is the probability. It is saying that the ith unit is included in the sample, and this is showing that ith unit is not selected in the sample. So this is the n upon n plus 0 n upon n. So n upon n is the probability of EAI. So at the place of EAI, we can put here, so this value we are putting, so 1 upon n. At the place of EAI, we will put here n upon n because of this value, and summation of xi is equal to 1 upon n summation of xi, and this is the x bar. So we have proved it that ex bar is equal to the population mean.